How to connect to ROSI Replica. Prerequisites to connecting to ROSI Replica include having access to ROSI Replica data. You can request ROSI access via the ROSI and Database Access Request form on the Student Information Systems SharePoint site. Next, you'll need to be enrolled with UTR MFA. You can enroll via the UTR MFA self-enrollment page at uft.me/mfa-self-enrollment. You'll also need your UTR ID and UTR ID password. Lastly, you will need the admin VPN. So let's begin by connecting to the admin VPN via Cisco AnyConnect. Now that we are connected to the VPN, let's launch Azure Data Studio. We're going to begin by creating a new connection. We're going to start by entering in the server, which can be found in the Power BI toolbox. Up next, we are going to change the authentication type to Azure Active Directory, and this will pop up a new field where we can enter in our utoronto.ca account. We're going to type in ROSI Replica for the database, and all of the other values can remain as default. It is optional if you would like to name this connection for quick access the next time around, so let's call it ROSI Replica. We select Connect, and that's it. We are connected to ROSI Replica from Azure Data Studio.